So this vehicle is actually brought to me. It was previously repaired by another company, by a 30-year technician, and it was just not repaired to 100%. And he also drilled a hole in the underside of the hood where it didn't need to be done because there was access from the backside. So I finished that repair, and then I applied some rust undercoating to the inside of the panel and some touch-up paint to the hole that was drilled. And I put the plug back in that he had put in there. But just you should just always be careful of who you use and make sure you look up the good reviews of them beforehand, because this really never needed to happen. So the vehicle didn't need to be repaired twice. It just really should have been repaired one time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and you'll hear the customer speaking about the repair here shortly.
It almost looks like you took a ball-peen hammer and used it to bang it out. You know, you see all the dimples in that? You see it more than I even do. I mean, I'm like, jeez.
Yep.
And then
Oh,
that's
yeah.
that's it.
Yeah, you didn't get the body line tucked back up.
That is amazing. Oh my god. Night and day.
Thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video today. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and leave me a thumbs up if you did enjoy the video.